on this beautiful day. Gonna be a warm one today. Gonna be 30 Celsius, about 90 Fahrenheit. It says it's gonna feel like about 100. We'll take it though. It's gonna be hot. We're not used to it yet. Beginning of the season. Still spring here where we are in the province of Quebec. All right, we're doing this big crazy one here. Hasn't been done in a couple of years. I'll bring you guys along with us. You guys can see what we got going on. As you can see, the people haven't been doing the lawn or doing too much here. I think they've been letting things go a little bit. So I'll bring you guys along with us, show you guys a bit what we got going on. I just finished this big one here. I'll go over there and do one over there. Show you guys out back here. Some of the parts we can't get the boom bucket trucks in. So we're gonna use this big ladder here. That's I think it's a 28-foot ladder. Looking good. Sorry for the glare from the sun. We're right into the sun here. Alright, that's gonna be it for this place. So we'll bring you guys along with us today. We'll show you some of the jobs that we do. Hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, we just got to this and we're just finishing it up. We're just gonna do the clean up here. Right by a golf course. North part of town here. High stuff. Really high. People playing golf over there. Yeah, we have one of our golf clubs here in town is right in the middle of the north part of town. I don't know how much longer it'll last with all the construction going on, and I would imagine taxes must be pretty expensive for that place. I wouldn't be surprised if they build it up into condos. So we're gonna trim up to the post. That telephone pole is our guideline. We're going down across the back there on the side. All right, we just finished it all up. Come out pretty good. I just moved the van to get a better look at it. Looks really good. It's a high one. Over there we can't do the top because we have no access with the van, with the boom vans or boom truck, bucket trucks, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so we got this all done. Looks really good. To the next one. I don't know if you can see the problem across the street where the bottom of the hedges are all eaten by the deer. But in this part of town where we are, a lot of deer. If you don't put up a fence for the deer, they're gonna eat them all. I'll go show you guys everything's good here because they put a fence up. Everything looks really good. Show you guys the bucket trucks on the backside working. See Brian's up there. We're doing 2 neighbors here. All right, I'll just show you guys here. We got it all done right beside a park. Nice neighborhood here. I guess this house here was just sold $2.5 million. A lot of money. All right. Looks really good. I'll go on the back side and show you guys where the boom vans are in the street. That's why you need those lights on those bucket trucks. Sometimes you're in some streets where it's a bit dangerous. You just give everyone a heads up that you're there. So you see you got some trees here. So the hedge is not growing as well here. You see that? That's because of these trees. Look right here in the corner. Looks really good. Also did the neighbors. Now one of my guys started doing the 3rd neighbor over, so I said, you know, we're not doing that one. So I said he already said he did half of it, so I said, well, I'll finish it up. Can't leave a wall half done. It's not gonna look very good. I'll go over and see. See, the lawn is not as well manicured here as it is over at the other neighbors. Let's go see what he... See? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, so he's doing that little wall over there. Not supposed to do it, but started doing it, so we'll finish it. Alright, so everything's done. This wall here right by the driveway looks really good. All right, beautiful stuff. A little hot today. I'm not gonna say it's hot, it's just warm. Not used to it. It's just because we're not used to it. Beginning of the season. Say 28, 29, something like that today. All right, we'll head over. The boys are all over here. All right, just finishing this one up here. I'm gonna show you guys something where the deer have been eating it. It's all new out back here. They all new houses out back here. See that hole there? That's where the deer have been crossing to get over on this side. They've been eating all along the bottom here. That's why it's green up on top. And at the bottom here, it's all eaten. That's from the deer. You can see the big hump right here? See the big hump? That's because the deer ate all the bottom here the last 2 winters. Look at that. Poison ivy. The whole thing here is all poison ivy. How do you send the guy back there to do that? All this stuff. You see where the deer ate in the backside here? All right. We just finished across the street over there. Now we're over on this side. These beautiful trees. Looks really good. The other boom van is here. We'll go around and show you on the other side. So that's the back side, or the bucket. See Brian's right there. That's where the bucket vans are. Looks really good. All right, I'll run around, I'll move the van. See, so this client here put a fence on top of the hedge. All right, you guys, see you guys next one. Adios, amigos.